Well, good day everyone. Well, been moving along with the wiring. So as you can see, all this now is encased, and we've got wires here in the dash and around the back. Other side of the wires. There we go. So that's pretty well most of the wiring. Whether it works or not, time will tell. I'm thinking about might as well put it into the actual proper dart dash, because I have to anyway, so why not? So that might be the next thing. Well, good day everyone. The old looking a bit light on now, because we've pulled a fair bit of the wires out, because I have put them on, or draped them on the chassis, so you can see how it goes. So here's the back. So we've got rear lights, we've got the number plate lights, we've got the loom coming up, the main loom coming up one side, which will be inside the chassis, inside the body. A few offtakes here, the fuse box is going about here somewhere, and most of the wires terminating here. And then on the other side, we've got the other loom that will actually probably come up this way, and not sure how I'll do it yet, but I've got to bring it up through the tunnel here. If that doesn't work, the alternative is along the inside of the body, on the alignment up to another junction here, and then of course everything into the dash as well. So you see how it goes. Oops, never mind. And in the body, because I think I might start wiring up the dash, and actually in the body I've put the speedo in. Now that one's not the original. I do have the original, which is in miles per hour, but this is actually in nicer condition, and as you can see it's in kilometers per hour. Now I guess the miles per hour on the original one, which I'm pretty sure is this one here, it's a bit nasty looking, as you can see, and it's because of the red paint. But I think I'll keep the other one in it, because it's easier in Australia now to drive with kilometers per hour rather than the miles, which is what's in Molly, the miles per hour. So yeah, it's starting to look like a finished vehicle. Well, if you consider having a speedo in the dash finished. But anyway, progression, slowly but surely. Okay, so this is what I've worked out so far. So steering wheel will go about there. So I've got the indicator switch here, should be able to be done. You've got the steering wheel, got the windscreen coming back here, but I think you still have enough room to fit all that. Got the windscreen washer switch here for the squirter, and a high-low beam there. So I figure that's sort of pretty good. Here we've got the light switch, as in headlights and parkers. Here will be the windscreen washers, and I just can't, from the top of my head, think what that one might be at the moment. Obviously the ignition here. Now the funny thing is, we've got some extra holes here. See these ones under here? One there and one there. No idea what they were for. They're in the body when I got it. No idea what they were for. I didn't pull it apart, so can't can't work that one out. Now, obviously up here we've got a hole here and a hole here. That's for the windscreen washers. Now, these cars didn't originally have windscreen washers, but as their holes are there, we might as well have them. So yeah, so sort of roughing out the wiring on the dash, and I reckon I could just about start putting together some of it. I'm waiting for some more switches, so I might hang off drilling holes until I know exactly where to go. I can put the indicator one in, I've got a switch for that, so we'll think about that. Okay, here we go.